Here we have a very nice Bell & Howell 1623 dual 8 projector, 8mm and Super 8. This is Don again at snapitupcanada.com. Let's see how this baby works. I better turn the motor on first, hadn't I? Something to keep in mind, turn the motor on, put it into forward, and then turn the lamp on. If you don't, you'll burn your film. And reverse that same process when you're stopping the projector. Okay, well, you see the projector. What's it doing? This is a solid projector. Very nice for the Super 8 8mm films. It has a run, a slow, and a stop, of course, framer, yada yada yada. As I mentioned, turn the lamp off before you stop the film.